So, what will the next 50 years look like? When most people rent and only the rich own, housing stops being a way to build stability and becomes just another expense like groceries or gas. People pay rent every month but never build equity, which means they never build real wealth. That wealth flows upward to the owners who collect rent on properties they bought years earlier. Over time, the owners grow richer without doing very much, while renters stay stuck in the same cycle no matter how hard they work. Jobs start to feel less secure, too. Without ownership, families are more mobile, but not by choice. They have to move when rent goes up or when landlords decide to sell. Communities weaken because fewer people stay in the same neighborhoods long enough to build deep roots. Schools, local businesses, and even friendships feel less stable because people in those places are always turning over. And you can see this future already in today's data. The richest 1% already own about 38% of global wealth, and the bottom half of the world owns 2%. In the US, first-time home buyers fell from 50% in 2010 to 24% in 2024. It's the same story in England and the rest of Europe. We have to say it, though, that on a global view, the story looks a little bit different. China also has millions of people looking for jobs in the same areas, but they have looser building laws, so the supply is able to meet demand. It's the same story in India and Brazil. Massive urbanization, but ownership is stable because there are fewer regulations. So if you don't own a home just yet, you've got two options, okay? Change the game or play the game. To change the game, we would need to drastically loosen zoning laws and environmental regulations so we can build houses where people actually want to live. Put taxes on empty homes for speculative buying. Push for shared equity programs for first-time buyers, lower taxes, and lower mortgage rates. The only issue here is that policymakers, well, they've got enough money to benefit from the problem, so why would they try to solve it?